Hi guys, Dave in Texas here, and I got a few things up here I want to try real quick. I've got my little Slash Appetite for Destruction guitar out, the little copy from China that I put in the real Slash commercial pickups in it from Seymour Duncan and turn it all Gibson, obviously. Uh, I've got that. It's hooked up through my Line 6. It's on a metal channel. Let's see, drives at about 9 o'clock, bass is at 12, mid range is at 9, trebles at 2 o'clock, channel volumes at 2 o'clock. No effects on it, no reverb, and the master's at 3, going into my Zoom box for recording through that as well. And I've also got the Zoom hooked up to the Sony Monitors. Then they are playing back through to the Blue Yeti Pro that I'm testing out right now. Now, originally I had it set up to where it was directly connected to the Zoom through its stereo cables, and they're only like 3 inches long, so it's not very practical to try to use the thing. I got to get some extensions on that or get a new set of cables. Stereo cables, they're all over the place nowadays. Not hard to get. And then, of course, being recorded on YouTube as well. So I'm going to get a little mix of all of it and see what I can come up with, and go from there. So let's see. All the tracks are on. Play records on. So what I can come up with, I'm just going to noodle around the guitar and maybe switch over in the middle of this to this Les Paul Supreme, see what it sounds like. Damn. Let's get some individual notes on this. Wow. As a bunch of growling little pups. It's out of tune still. Somebody bitched about being out of tune. Yeah, you're right, it's out of tune. Kill me. Let's take this out and plug in the Supreme and give it a go. Hear what it sounds like on this setup. Maybe I'll switch over to the that little Fender Telecaster in a minute. It's out of tune too, but what the hell. Unbelievable. This is a Supreme I'm playing on right at the moment. Give you an idea of the difference. Damn. Wow. That's just so much feedback. Plenty sustain. I probably let that run for like 3 or 4 minutes. Damn. Okay, let's tune this down and plug in that little fender I was talking about. That's a rosewood Telecaster I've got laying around. I can get it plugged in fast enough. Not dropping the damn thing. There that goes. Alright, next. I'm going to say place to put the spring. So it didn't get damaged. Alright, time for the little Telecaster. Sorry about that. Here it sounds like on the setup. Same thing with the sustain on these things. They are excellent. So, there's 3 guitars for you on this little setup. I'm going to play it back through. Listen to how it sounds like on this new microphone, new setting, and go from there. If you hear it on the YouTube, on my site, you know, it's okay. It's kind of okay. It doesn't really stink, but it gives you an idea of how many different setups are available with these systems I've got. It's just unbelievable how many ways you can set this thing up to play and record through. Thanks, Dave in Texas. Any questions, give me a holler. Bye.